In the United Kingdom and in England, where I come from, we have a lot of sweet specialities, sweet things to eat. We often eat something sweet for a snack or after a meal for the dessert. To make these specialities, we often use pastry, sweet pastry. For example, for a snack, we might use sweet pastry to make a delicious custard tart or a Bakewell tart, or at Christmas, a mince pie. And for a dessert, we might need pastry to make an apple pie or a rhubarb pie, or perhaps a lemon meringue pie or a banoffee pie. And you can find some of these recipes in my videos. Look at the links under this video. In this video, I am going to share my Gran's recipe for sweet pastry with you. By the way, if you are new to my channel, I'm Rachel. Welcome to Smile English Stories, where you can listen to English in lots of different contexts. I am going to use my food processor. Very practical. So, if I switch my food processor on, we can start. First, we need to put 165 grams of plain flour in the food processor. 165. Next, we need 25 grams of ground almonds. 25. And next, we need 50 grams of sugar, caster sugar. That's fine sugar. 30, 40. I don't like my pastry too sweet, so I only put 40 grams in. So now we are ready for the butter, cold butter from the fridge. You put the butter in the bowl in little pieces. 145, 150. Okay, so now I can put the lid on the machine and mix it together. So now it should look like breadcrumbs. So to mix the pastry together, we need an egg. So if I break my egg in a bowl, I can mix it a little with a fork. Oops. And put the lid back on the food processor and mix the egg in till it makes a ball. So little by little. It's starting to make a ball. Okay, stop. So now I have my ball of pastry, not too wet and not too dry. So I need to wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So perhaps you can try my grand's sweet pastry recipe and make one of the recipes under the video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Oh, and if you would like a free PDF of the sweet pastry recipe, click on the link under the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.